Picture this, a bustling digital arena where excitement surges with every fleeting moment. The crypto world is alive, and a pre-move alert has emerged in the realm of esports. The ticker, ESPORTSUSDT, strides confidently to a peak move of positive 37.36% in just 49 minutes. It's a vibrant dance of opportunity on the coinscanner platform. Powered by an AI engine that detects movements across 665 pairs, all within 8 meticulously chosen timeframes. As the market breathes, traders lock in their positions, each heartbeat synchronized with the rhythm of the charts. Don't miss out on these thrilling moments. Begin your journey. Your first hour is free at coinscanner.pro.